This is the Platinum 3776 Carnelian fountain pen. The pen comes in a black cardboard box with the Platinum logo in silver embossed in the top. The hinge style lid with a fabric interior. The Platinum logo once again on the underside of the box lid. And the box has a false bottom that comes off. And included with the pen is an ink converter. Also, there's a certificate of authenticity and a user manual for the pen. The Carnelian is a specific or special color for the United States distributor. It's not available throughout the rest of the world, so it's only available in the United States. It has a red Resin Demonstrator. It has some sparkle to it, a little bit of small little specks throughout the pen that kind of give it a little shimmer or shade to it. It has a silver colored trim on the pen, so there's a couple bands here at the bottom as well as the top of the cap. The cap is attached to that, or the clip is attached to that ring on the cap, and there is a ring at the bottom of the barrel of the pen that is engraved with 3776 Century Platinum made in Japan. The cap is threaded and will unscrew and will post on the end of the barrel of the pen. It has a matching section with a 14 karat gold nib that's also in the silver colored to match the rest of the pen. The section will unscrew from the barrel of the pen, and you can use an ink cartridge or converter that are both included. Platinum does have a proprietary cartridge, so you will have to use their cartridges, or you can use bottle inks with the converter that's included. The 3776 is just a great fountain pen, Japanese pen, great nibs. Get your Platinum 3776 Carnelian fountain pen at penchalet.com.